Hey guys, this is a short review of Logitech Extreme 3D Pro. I had bought this from Amazon.in and it cost me around 2000 Indian rupees. The first thing I noticed with this one is the build quality. The build quality appears to be absolutely very premium. For this price, the build quality is very good. And this is the joystick that people should opt who love flight simulations, such as Microsoft Flight Simulator or X-Plane. This is the joystick that they have to go for. And the best thing with this is this comes pre-configured. Some buttons on this joysticks come pre-configured and some of them you just need to configure. And this one here is the throttle lever, which is used to adjust the throttle from 0 to 100%, and this is the rudder control. You can control the rudder movements left and right. These are the ailerons which are used to steer the plane left and right, and the elevators to make the plane climb and descent. And you do have 4 buttons on the top which can be configured as per your requirement. And using this knob can be used in order to observe the internal components of your flight, such as your FMC or your flight management computer, your primary flight displays. You can easily move from one spot to another by using this button. This button seems to be very nice. And there is also a button on your left side which can be used to obtain various views in your flight simulator. And if you go to this side, there is a button. This button is said to be called as your trigger button, and this button is by default allocated for your parking brake. If you want, you can change it. And these 6 buttons and these 4 buttons here are configurable. You can configure these buttons as per your requirement. This button can be also used for games such as Battlefield, and this button is said to be called as the trigger button. This button can be used for shooting. So not only games such as flight simulators, you can play lots and lots of games by using this. And I was surprised by the sensitivity of this. The sensitivity of this joystick is very nice. It just takes a few days in order to get adjusted to this joystick. Once you adjust to it, it will be very nice. So for users who love flight simulations and who want to add some sorts of realism in the initial stages, you can just purchase this joystick, and this joystick is not going to disappoint you. I'm using this joystick since 10 days and I hadn't experienced any sorts of issues with this. Joystick just works flawless out of the box. Just take the joystick out of the box, just plug it to your USB cord and just use it. This joystick works excellent. Thank you for watching my video. This is Prithvi signing off.